शांति अव्यक्त परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज है दिन
Om Shanti, everyone is welcome at Avyakti Parivar today, and today is day 10, and now we'll listen to Mohini Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
हम संस्कारों की बात कर रहे हैं।
We are talking about sanskars, purification of sanskars, because some past sanskars
ऐसे बने हुए होते हैं
are made
जो
like
उसके आधार पर हमें
on basis of which
तरह की वृत्तियां कहो, कई तरह के
like many type of attitude,
होता है।
or you can say any these vibrations are created, like for example fear.
होते हैं
Some are so fearless,
हर एक में मैं समझती हूँ
and I believe in everyone, everybody, some or other kind of fear is there in everybody.
तो मैं हर बात
So if we create a list, and if somebody claims that I am so fearless in everything, no, that's not possible.
हमारी मातेश्वरी जी
It should be like this, like mama.
कह सकती हूँ कि
For mama, I can say, yeah, mama was completely fearless
की मूर्ति थी
because she was embodiment of truth.
और इस कारण उनको किसी भी
And because of that, she was never scared of anything. She has no fear at all.
उन्होंने ईश्वरी विश्वविद्यालय में
So mama
कई तरह की चुनौतियां आई
Mama has faced so many challenges in this university, world university, but she was so fearless.
न केवल
And she faced every situation, not only faced every situation, but also in her life,
पर निश्चय था
her faith was so firm in truth.
एक प्रसिद्ध
And,
एक प्रत्यक्ष रूप
and she has
दिखाया
shown it so practically.
को देखकर
So her fearlessness, when I used to see her, or everybody used to get surprised seeing her fearlessness.
पर विश्वास था
But she has so much trust in truth.
जो ईश्वरी ज्ञान सुनती थी
So whatever she used to listen, like Baba's knowledge, godly knowledge, or she is practicing that godly knowledge,
विश्वास था
but she has complete faith
कल्याण के लिए है
that this is for benefit. This is not only for my benefit, but this is for
तो
world benefit.
कैसे हम अपना
So how,
किसी भी प्रकार का भय है
if we have any kind of fear,
उसको दूर
how can we remove it, and how can we become fearless?
तो वो निर्भयता का आधार
So the basis of being fearless, one is truth,
और जो कुछ मेरी अपनी मान्यता है
and second, whatever I believe in,
श्रेष्ठ है
it should be elevated.
गौरव होना चाहिए
So if that's elevated, then I should feel pride of that.
नहीं होना चाहिए
I should not be shy, or
मैंने देखा है
like I have seen sometime there are some, like in some culture,
धर्मों में
in some religion, how they do is
तरह से प्रार्थना करनी
like they worship different ways.
तो किसी
They have different methods
के पास
of worshipping, some like standing, some like sitting, some like laying down. Like it's different for every religion, every culture. They study their own scriptures.
कि सभी जिनका पूरा
So
होता है
what I see is like those who are
कहीं भी एक
so disciplined, if they have this discipline, so they just follow their timetable, whatever they do. Once I was in plane, so somebody was sitting in next to my seat of different religion, so they used to worship before eating the food. So what he did, he had a small suitcase, and in that suitcase he has like all the complete temple within the suitcase, all the those idols of those deities in that suitcase. And then he did that thing, his rituals, and he did that, and then he ate the food. So some feel, oh, what will other people say if they will see us doing these things? What they will say, what they will think about me? Some people don't do these things in front of other people, feeling that what will they think? But those who believe in their rituals, those who believe in their doings, they are not fear, they don't have any fear about these things, like what people will think about me, what people about what will they say about me. So one person was telling me once, he used to travel in first class always. So every time he used to bring his food from home, so he used to eat only vegetarian food, only homemade. So every time then everybody knows that I only eat my homemade food. So everybody knew about his discipline, his thing. He never used to think like why he is not eating here, why he is not eating this or that. So those who follow their discipline, their timetable, but sometimes they feel, oh, what will other think about me if I will do this, if I will eat this? So how I believe is, so whatever I am believing in, whatever is elevated for me, I should follow my discipline. I should not feel any fear or shy or any. So I should follow what I believe in. So for that will benefit me. So that will not only benefit me, but also I will become fearless. There will be no fear. So I have so many examples for these things, that if I have this virtue of being fearless, it's not like if some person, if somebody is upset because of some reason, so I just have to face him. No, I don't have to face them like this. But if if I want to some finish something, if I have to accommodate someone or something, so that I should do so, whatever power I need at whatever time, if I have that ability to use the accurate power at accurate time, then I will not be, I will not have fear of anything. So if I'm like fearless, then I'm brave. If I have fear of something, then that will surround me. The fear will surround me. I'll not feel normal. So the other person can also feel those vibrations from me. Oh, they are weak. They have some kind of fear. So where we live here, this is something very really good. Is like we have so many bears here. So so when you see any bear, don't get scared. So just keep walking calmly. If you if you are fearful and you start running, then what will happen? So he will also start running behind you, because he is also scared of you. So fear is something which is like both have that fear at the same time. Like you have the fear, and the other the bear who will see you like this, oh, you are scared, so they also, so meaning you are radiating the vibrations of fear at that time. So you will feel weak at that time, and the other person will think, oh, oh, someone is attacking me, and we feel, oh, he can attack me. So that's how the fear is created, the vibrations are creating. So if we have this sanskara of fear, so we should remove it. But in spirituality, in this alaukic life, we also learn something really good, that at that time when I have this feeling of fear, just emerge the feeling of that I am immortal, I am eternal. So right away you will create that transform feeling of that fearlessness. So I'm immortal, I'm eternal, I can't be, nobody can kill me, nobody can do me anything, so I'm safe. So with this awareness, it's like armor around me of fearlessness. So, fearlessness, because if you are in fear, that is equal to like you are dead. So think about this, reflect on this to emerge the virtue of fearlessness. I am fearless, I am truthful, the
और अपना अविनाशी अस्तित्व आत्मा के रूप में स्मृति में लाकर सदा निर्भय रहिए। ओम शांति।